In this video, we are going to see how we can turn on or turn off the tag notifications, which means that whenever someone tags you in a post, you get or you don't get the notifications. You can make that settings on Facebook. Here's how you can do it. You click on this top right hand corner and click on the profile icon, click on settings and privacy and click on settings. And on the left hand side under the preferences, you will see this notifications option. Click on that. And from here, you click on the tags. From here, you want to either add or get the notifications when you are tagged by anyone, friends. You can customize that setting, and then you can further customize how do you want to receive that notifications. So let's say that we never want to receive the notifications on the SMS and batch mentions and all join groups and these notifications. You want to get the push notifications, and you can even turn that off if you want to. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Here's all the customizations you might need. You can work through it according to your needs, and that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.